Well, once again, this is the 12th day of May 2026. I'm here at the United States Supreme Court. I just made this filing here at the Supreme Court. And there's the caption, court case 10-10236, George McDermott versus the United States Department of Justice and the mafia-controlled agents, and Peter Parker and Wayne A. Bluey and everyone else. But based on the newly discovered evidence I got that all these unsigned orders I've been getting for the last, since I filed this case 15 years ago. Every order I get from this court is unsigned. Every order I get from any federal court is unsigned. All of them are in violation of the 2000 E-Sign Act, the Paper Reduction Act, and the DocuSign Act, which I managed to get some assistance from somebody in California who gave me the statutes and the laws necessary so that I could file it. I just left the Court of Federal Claims in Washington, D.C., Appellate Division, and all these courts acting, the clerks all act in consort, one with another. They can care less about the citizens of this nation. No, I don't give up. I don't give up. I'm not going to give up. There's building right where all the Senate office buildings, the Hart, the Dirksen, and the Russell, all down there. I've walked their halls so many times it's pitiful in the last 20 years. None of the victims that I bring before them are ever helped. Nobody ever signs a document. Nobody, the government never responds to any documents that you send them. That is not the way a government is supposed to work. They are to work for the best interests of we the people of these United States, not the corporate agents and assigns who have no jurisdiction and authority, because they're foreign agents now. They're absolute foreign agents. And but the 9 judges in this court are committing treason against the Constitution on a daily basis by allowing the clerks of the court to send out, they send out 1,000 a day, or at least 500 a day, unsigned orders to people who pay good money to file an appeal with the Supreme Court, expecting equal justice, equal protection under the law. They never get it. All they get is one to 2 lines, says the case is dismissed for failure to state a claim or lack of jurisdiction. And this all has to stop, folks. We have to hold the judicial branch accountable for crimes they do against our Constitution and rule of law. And Donald Trump's got so many cases in this case here. They rubber stamp it because everything is partisan now. It's not an independent court. Everything's Republican or Democrat. You're a liberal or you're a Republican, and that's not what the court's about. The court's about providing honest services to our citizens, to all citizens equally, and without any prejudice or bias. And courts are failing to do this every day of the week. So I will keep fighting for the people of these United States, and I will keep making a record. And I will keep running for U.S. Congress as long as God allows me to. So they got a copy of the motion paper I just filed in the attachment was a motion paper I just filed in the Court of Appeals for the Federal Circuit. You got a full copy of that, and you just got a full copy of the in color of the document I filed to all 44 members of the House Judiciary Committee. I walked it through to every office on the 7th of May 2026, and don't give it any response. That's all right. I'm making a record, and I'm running for Congress again. Our primaries in 30 days from, I think it's 33 days from now, in Maryland's 4th Congressional District. Look it up. Look up George McDermott, 4th Congressional District, and also check out all the videos. And these videos are posted at George McDermott for Justice on YouTube. So, God bless everyone. Have a great day. It looks like a beautiful day now. Maybe I can get some actual work done. George McDermott signing off again from the land of the scam and the home of the fraud, the United States Supreme Court of Injustice foremost. Amen.